Constraint-based sketching, remove interiors. So remove interiors is an option when exiting a sketch, and this is a standard sketch, not a layout sketch. So when we go to 3D mode, it will convert all the outermost curves into a face, with any interior curves that can form a region or regions left unfilled. Let me back up. If this option wasn't checked and we came out of the sketch, then we have these internal regions filled. And if the intention was this rectangle with 5 holes, we would still have a surface of separate regions to further deal with. Now, admittedly, I could just go to the structure browser and delete all the regions from the surface in just one go. That would be the quick way to do it. Or alternatively, we could select each one and delete, 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 delete. So unless there is a specific reason for the interiors to be pulled into a solid, the remove interior option is a fast way to model.